What up, guys? Pitbike Mondays. See this rain out here? Nothing's getting done. I didn't get the video finished for the XR50 versus Piranha, and I don't want to give it to you yet. So there's an SSR190 video from a couple months ago. We never did anything with, never posted. So, you know, it's a Pitbike brand. Going out to Twin Hills Motorcycle Park, taking the SSR190. And we're gonna see which machine, we're gonna see what kind of machine it is. I'll see if I can hang at Twin Hills. Buddy's bringing a KX100, another friend's bringing a KX80. So, should be even Stevens. See if the 4-stroke will handle them hills a little better. I might have bigger wheels and tires too. Check it, Twin Hills. There's their rules. Gotta have a helmet. Put your 10 bucks in the box. Fill out your info. Check it out, dudes. SSR190 time. We'll see if she can hold up for us. We're gonna find out. Give her hell out here now. And right across from the general store back there. Let's see this rock line. Just pull on in. Twin Hills Cycle Ranch. Somebody please ask me in the comments where this was. Please be sure and ask me where it was in the comments. Twin Hills Cycle Ranch, Bridgeport, Texas. So many people ask me questions that are in the video because they didn't watch it. Twin Hills Cycle Ranch, Bridgeport, Texas. The best riding in Texas for a dirt bike. Damn, y'all leaving fucking 1987 or what? I said, did y'all leave in 1987? Damn. Let's go. I can smell that thing. It smells good. All right, fellas, here we go. Damn, check it. He's still trying to start that Kawasaki. Oh, wrong buttons. Beat him. What? Electric stats? You don't even choke it? You just kick it till your leg hurts or what?
Right. I thought it was choke up.
Ay.
Jump down.
Damn, it's got a kickstand on it?
I know, right? That thing is so set up.
It's got a Fat Billets kickstand on it, dudes. It's got plastic levers? Oh, yeah. They look plastic from a distance, dude. Damn.
buddy.
Piece of shit, dude. It's fucking vibrating me so bad, bro.
Definitely saw that one today.
Oh yeah. I thought that at least the motor would full disclosure. Yeah, dude, this is 2 days after I sold it to you, so no way I knew this prior, but it doesn't run that good. I thought it was gonna run good, runs fine on open flat land. Get it on a hill, starts bogging like hell. Did I break this fender? No, I guess that's how she was.
Yes. Just noticing things now.
Just guessing.
Yeah, man, it's eating my thumb alive because it's bouncing around so much.
Why is it bouncing?
I don't know, man. I think I freed them shocks up finally. Got them freed up, you know what I mean?
All right.
Warming, nice and good.
You got a Makuni?
Yeah. Fakuni.
Chikuni.
Yeah. Go ride it, Rush. So he's been riding that Cowie. He's gonna ride this real quick and tell y'all what he honestly thinks. Ask me if he's supposed to lie when he comes back. He's like, am I supposed to lie if it's shit? I was like, no, tell him the truth. I'm telling y'all right now, I've never been shaken by a bike so much in my life, ever.
That's sad.
Watch him come back and be like, man, it's smoother than the KX. Yeah. Dude, I went across that grass field. I know you're gonna be able to hear it on the GoPro because I'm trying to talk and this guy, I was like, this is the fucking shittiest ride I've ever been on.
Dude, this 100 is like the most fun bike.
Yeah.
Well-rounded, fast when you want it to be.
Hell yeah.
Like,
That back tire's well-rounded.
yeah. A day of burnouts or two.
You well-rounded that back tire pretty
Couple
damn
smoke
good.
shows here and there.
Dude, that thing rips. Look at Reshes right here, boys. Recluse. Just idles in gear. Woo.
Set up for a 12-year-old girl.
What year's that? Like a 13, 14, 15? 16? Damn.
Actually, I think it might be 11.
11. He ain't even getting on it. Listen at that motor. I've been out here on a BW80, guys, and an ATC with no suspension. What you think?
It's supposed to ride like shit.
Dude, is it bouncy as fuck or what?
Yeah.
Dude, unbelievably bouncy. Unbelievably bouncy.
It's got some throttle.
Yeah, it's got some power for sure. Go ride it, Joe. It's got some power, but it fucking...
We don't need this where we're going.
That's the choke cable. No. You won't need
That's
that.
brake. You got to brake.
Yeah, bite it. You bite it. It's your teeth. It's got some power, man. I feel like if I went through the car, maybe it'd be worth driving.
Yeah.
But it needs some more.
I feel like you got to
torque.
really go through the real quick.
That thing needs some melt. Can't believe how bounce. I never knew, dude. I knew it would get me up the hill and shit, but I didn't know it was gonna bounce like that. Dude, I know. Dude, it's beating the hell out of you, ain't it? Bro, I went through this field over here. I went to the sand and then realized it bottomed out completely. Did you see him jump that?
No.
It just like bananaed, bro, inside out.
Did you get that on film?
Oh, yeah.
Feels like a dinosaur.
It's like, honestly, maybe we're just too big for it. I think it's for kids or something. Like Parker, it probably wouldn't be whipping him that much, but Joe, how much you weigh, Russ? 150, 160?
170.
I think Parker probably weighs around that, dude. Man, lots of kids do, though, for sure. That's like a good high school weight right there.
It's geared really low.
Yeah, it's got a lot of torque.
Yeah.
So many times I was in 5th gear and tried to put it in 5th gear thinking I was in 4th or 3rd. Like, I tried to shift into 6th gear like 10
can
times.
chug through things. It's like top end, it kind of lays down.
Yeah. 190. I don't even know, guys. It could be carb related. It could be because that the damn choke lever recently broke.
It might be SSR related.
That's what this is.
But you
might
do
be-
this?
No, it usually goes right here.
Oh, shit.
But the cable broke and I just pulled it out today.
But you make sure she wasn't choked? Or we don't know?
Maybe she choked.
I'm assuming it goes back in, but it might be choked.
Could be.
It might be choked. Because I've never had an issue out of it
We
doing
try to,
that shit.
tape it out or zip tie it out so it pulls it so it's not.
We'll have to
Have
push
you
it.
taken this part out right here to see if the cable's there?
Well, I pulled the cable out.
Oh, you took the cable out already.
Yeah, but it goes into the carb right
If
there.
you took the cable out, wouldn't it be choked then?
Big air leak.
No, because it wasn't attached to the thing.
Oh, well.
Yeah, that's probably what it is, that huge air leak right there.
She got a nice little air leak.
I need to plug that. Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Fucking, it's hot as
She's
shit.
toasty, boys.
It's lean. I need to put like a
Sounded
gob
lean.
of you got some bubble gum? Anybody got some chewing gum?
You want some?
Yeah.
I got you.
I ain't even lying. I'll put a piece of gum in that bitch. I don't give a fuck, dude. All right, Russ, will you get this for me, homie? I got a... Probably the aluminum foil would work. Oh, I quit recording. I'm out of tapes. Oh, no, I'm not. I'm goods, dudes. Like, y'all probably thought I was joking about the bubblegum fix, but... So it's a wrap. I couldn't even get it close, dude.
No. How big? Is it too small, too big?
It's just I don't have the upper room to go above it. We're just lucky Rush had some gum. He was probably going to patch a tire or something later. Man, it's a tough fit. Maybe from the other side it'll be easier. So now I got this old deal just full of the gum. You'd be like, what's this all over the carburetor?
Why is it so sticky?
I just waxed it. I just fucking... Yeah, I just greased it. Not perfect. It didn't... I was hoping it helped the suspension some. Maybe we should put some gum between. Look, you got enough to like shove it between these to stiffen up my back shocks a little?
Just by chewing the gum, you lose some calories enough to help the shock.
Yeah, that might do it, man. Yeah, I'd have to chew a lot of gum, but if I could get down to like minus 20 pounds, if I can get to like moon weight...
Push that boy up.
Yeah.
Like a washer.
Oh, yeah, dude, just a spacer, smash it and put it in there.
Couple of those, I'll do it.
Some JB weld.
Nothing, a little leak from your end hole won't hurt.
Bro, your old fucking tires been in it.
Yeah, she needs a new rear.
No, it's rubbing your muffler whenever your shock goes down.
Nice.
You see?
Because I'm too fat for this bitch.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I was saying last time, yeah.
Tire. Man, I thought my shock was bad. Look, I don't have no muffler rub. Nah, mine's just clears the tire. Man, y'all got fatter back tires than me too, look. This little dainty ass. So guys, for a China bike, I'm gonna give this like a 8 or 9 out of a 10.
For a China bike, he's right.
For a China bike, honestly, it could have ran a little better. But I'm gonna give it like an 8.5 for a China bike. 7.5, 8.5, something like that. If you're comparing it to like a Yamaha, a good old, you know, TTR 230 or something, or TTR maybe 250, then this thing's like a 2 or a 3. No comparison. But you can go right down the trail on them. Definitely can. You could throw dirt all on these two strokes as faces.
Did it blow up?
No, but did it blow up though?
Did it blow up?
It didn't blow up though.
Did you check the gum?
Oh, the gum popped. It blew a bubble. Damn, popped my gasket. Oh, just taking a little tinkle. Just a little tinkle. I got the fuel off. Just take a little tinkle. Just a little spritz.
Hopefully it's from the case.
Yeah.
It is.
It's from the overflow. That overflow hose.
You better hope she buys this one. Sorry, the other one sold.
It runs good, man. I might go through the carburetor on it. That could be a... It never did that until the choke cable broke, so I know there's an air leak right there. But I was thinking about getting, if she doesn't buy it, getting one of the 28 millimeter carbs for it.
Be pretty fucking fast.
Oh, I know. It's just... and honestly, man, the bumps aren't as daunting going fast.
Exactly.
Like if you're going over them in like second gear, it rattles you a lot more than if you're going over it in like fourth gear and actually pulling a little bit.
Exactly. You pull on the throttle a little bit, you kind of just glide over it.
Well, yeah, because the back tire's taking it all when the front end's like this. But whenever you let off the throttle, the front end rattles you to death. Like real bad, dude.
Forearm workout right there.
Oh, yeah.
It's better for you time later.
And it's air cooled, so putting it around, she's getting a little warm. Definitely likes wind on it. I think new they're like $3,000. I'm supposed to be selling it for $1,750. You're gonna have to pay like 12 to 15 to 18 to 2,000 for these used. But man, it'll get you. It's 4 years old and probably never been in the shop.
It'll get you A to B.
I mean, you know what I'm saying though? It's 4 years old, never been in the shop. Same chain and sprockets on it, same brakes on it. So
It's not a piece of crap.
the only thing that needs replaced is the damn choke cable. Oh, and this now too, apparently. You know what? I'm just going to leave it here. You guys, it'll be at Twin Hills at the parking spots. Yeah. Joe's like, I got plenty of room. Joe and Russ can load it, I think. Yeah, unfortunately, this time SSR stands for Super Sorry Ride. Or Super Shitty Ride. Super Shitty Ride. Super Shitty Rider, Super Sorry Ride. But it got me there and back and didn't break down. Thank goodness. Because we're done. So it made it.
Am I gonna drag him?
No, you want to drag race him? I'll drag race him. Yeah, where at?
The grass right there.
Damn, almost loaded it up. Let's go do it. It's 2-stroke. Sweet.
Quiet one too.
Huh?
Quiet one too.
Yeah, very
For the trials.
It's a good balance. Huh? He still ain't put that foot down. I like the power on the bottom end of that 2-stroke. I'm having to go 4x4 on the way home, boys. I didn't know we was taking the trucks to Twin Hills. Daggum. Overall, guys, it could have been worse, I guess. It didn't break down. The carburetor, going with the choke cable broke. That was my fault. So the way it was running, I'll take the heat for that. But the way that it rides, that is rough, dude. So be sure and like and subscribe. Got another one coming for you soon. Get up in them comments. Let me know what you think. They make pit bikes. It's not really a pit bike, but the vertical engine's where it went wrong. And so you guys could tell. The engine's like this, it's not a pit bike. If it's like this, it's a pit bike. Maybe. Plus it's a PW80 2-stroke air-cooled semi-automatic from Cradle Frame. Then they say, oh, that's not a pit bike. But it is. It is. So this is for all y'all who say 2-strokes can't be pit bikes. Take this SSR. You know what I mean? So they're getting out here Thursday to actually start framing. That's for sure. They actually caught up on all their work last week. And hopefully the siding will be here for the shop. Thursday, the conclusion to this Banshee build. I'm going to get you another one up in there. And check out the DS650 video if you didn't see it that I posted yesterday. It's a good one, boys. I appreciate it. You know I like that 190 Pitster Pro. That's a whole different machine than that SSR. But in 4 years, hopefully it ain't all banged out like that sumbitch. God, it's rough, dudes. Rough ride.